Okay, here's a quick look at the market through the eyes of E-mini Day Trader for Friday, Feb 19th, 2010. When we left yesterday, the market had that surprise move by the Federal Reserve and increased interest rates, and you can see the down move right here. So we like to use these market profiles, and this one I'm referring to right here is what occurred as soon as the regular trading, I should say the Globex session started at 4:30 p.m. on yesterday afternoon. The other profiles, the ones just to the left and the right, are the regular trading hours only, and so we like to split these off to examine the market in more detail to get a better indication of what we think the market's condition is. So you can see here the market did have a good sell-off, but it did not reach our main support area, 91.90 area, but instead had a bit of a bounce from that low at 92 and then opened up around 11:01 in the regular trading hours. And the market could not sell off, but instead started to be bought up and had a good move higher for most of the day, and really kind of just brushed off the rate hike that the Fed announced with their surprise news yesterday afternoon. So I think this is pretty bullish for the market. Whenever the market can withstand some bearish news, which is, obviously an increase in interest rates, supposedly not good for the economy and for individual companies, for it really just to have a reaction sell-off and then a turnaround rally today is a pretty bullish indication. So we also like to look at our profiles here, which have only the regular trading hours on them, and then of course our software here, which shows our our tools here to help us gauge the market activity. Here's the market dipped down early in the trading day, and of course basically bought up for most of the day, and then more or less went sideways with a little dip at the end. We were able to get long on a trade when it started to rally up in here. Moved quickly 2.5 points in our favor, and then backed off. So easily reaching our first two objectives, and an exit on the final 1/4 of our position for a 1-point gain. So that was the only trade that we had today. Looking forward to what our expectations are come next week. 13 area up in here is resistance, as well as around about 11.11, today's high. Our support would be at today's low and also around the 11:02 area. So those are some key areas to look at. But I think the most important things are we certainly are in much more of a bullish undertone in the market right now. So any trade that you might try and hold on a longer intraday swing basis, certainly try and get on the long side. You'll have time on your side. So that's really how we're looking at the market right now. And so that'll be it. If you've got any questions or comments, please contact us at info@eminidaytrader.com. Love to hear your questions and comments. Other than that, thanks for taking the time to view the video, and we'll see you again on Monday. Have a good weekend.